Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about triple integrals, the integration of dy. So we don't have y in here, so you got about y. So we put the bounds from 0 to 1 over sz. So this one I will put in here. Number 0 I will put in here. So this one we just have like this. Now we can put like this. Because this one does it for this s, so that's why we put 1 over s gone here. Multiply by the integration from number 1 to e to the power of 2 f and z over z. So the integration of this one, we have fn of the absolute value of s, and then we put the bounds from number 1 to number 4. The integration of this one, that is about 1 over 2 fn of the absolute value of z, everything to the power of 2. So we put the bounds from number 1 to e to the power of 2. If we want to calculate this one, you can use about integration by parts. So we put about u equals to f and z. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we got dz over z. That's why this one you got about u, dz over z, we change for the u. The integration of u, we have u square over number 2, and later that we change back u into this one, and that's why we have this one. And now we put number 4 and number 1 gone here, similar for this one and this one. Fn number 1, you got number 0 in here, so we calculate this one, and we got number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.